The secret to unlocking serious income with Ghost pages is simple. Don't stop at one niche. Once you understand how the system works, you can easily duplicate it across multiple markets for even more traffic and profits. Start by choosing a few evergreen niches, things like health, wealth, relationships, or self-improvement. Each of these has endless keyword opportunities and affiliate products to promote. Then, create ghost pages around specific problems or search terms in those niches. Because ghost pages don't need hosting, backlinks, or a website, scaling into new topics is fast and nearly effortless. You can even use AI to help generate content and expand faster. As your pages grow, you'll have streams of traffic coming from different audiences, giving you more stability and multiple income sources that don't rely on one niche. If you want to learn exactly how to set this up step by step, check out the Ghost Pages system through my link in the description and start building your multi-niche income empire today.